right, so we are with Kim, and she has the Subaru BRZ with the joint head unit. Now, this head unit you've been having for about like how long? Like a month? About a month.
I'd say a month.
And let's just turn it on real quick so everyone can see what's it up. There you have it. So we have it cold booted because we just want to show you the cold boot. While that's happening, can you tell us like pretty much what's your experience with the joint head unit so far?
I think by far it's one of the best head units that I've had because it looks huge and it looks great and it runs really smooth. I haven't had any issues with it. Connection wise, it's perfect. Has a lot of different features I like. It's a lot faster than my old one, so I'm pretty satisfied with it.
Are there any weird like bugs or anything? Like, does that file like an app just turn on by itself, or anything weird that you notice day to day?
No bugs as of recently. Nothing's been happening that's out of the ordinary. I just use it mainly for Bluetooth, radio, for talking on the phone, and all of that. So no, so far nothing that I've experienced was a bad issue.
So how's like radio reception and Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth like just connection in general? Those three. So radio.
Pretty good. I listen to the radio a lot and I've had no issues there. It sounds HD, so it sounds really high quality for me. Bluetooth music also sounds very nice. No connection issues with any of those. Wi-Fi, not so much because it just connects to my phone. So whatever signal you have in your phone, it just connects to your phone. But nothing wrong so far. I like it.
Okay, so nothing wrong. That's great. Overall, what do you think of having such a huge display on your day-to-day? Is like on the camera right now, I do see some reflections. Has reflections have been an issue with you?
Reflection, no. The only thing is if you don't have any kind of screen protection on it, you'll see a lot of smudges and smears fingerprints because I always touch it a lot. With it being this large, the only con I would say is it does block the air vent sometimes. And it's been really hot, so I'd like to use air conditioning. The only thing is you can move it down.
Yeah, so we can remove this and move it just a notch down. It's unfortunate it is hard mounted, so you can't just swivel it, move it up and down or left and right. So if there was something like that, it would be great. I know I have a head unit coming in that does have that, adjustability. I used to have a monitor that doesn't go up and down, swivel and stuff, and I'm just like, yeah, this monitor stand sucks. But with the new monitor, my new monitor, having that adjustability, up, down, left, right, ABA, it's great. You can tilt, swivel, rotate it, and yeah, so this one does not have it. You have to take basically screws off of it and then remount it. We'll be able to make it a hair a bit small. Like you can move it down it's about like I would say like a millimeter, so it's not going to make a huge difference, or maybe like less than maybe like a quarter of a centimeter. But yeah, so this is a little bit big for the car, but if you had a truck or something like that, it's great. Did it ever crash on you?
No, this never crashed on me. The previous head units I've had did crash, but this one, so far, no crashes.
So that's great. So Bluetooth sounds good, radio sounds good. You don't have any built-in, you didn't put your own music into here like a flash drive or anything. But yeah, and the applications, it supports it very well. We had Torque on here earlier, clearing out engine codes and anything like that. So it's been real nice. I think it's paired and everything. Can you hit the gas pedal? I'm not sure if it shows any. Yeah, so you can kind of see it reacting and stuff like that. The car is not on, obviously, but if the car is on, you can see rev data and stuff like that. So that's definitely cool. Well, other than that, that was just kind of a month review. I know some people are questioning about the reliabilities of these head units. We test this on a day-to-day basis. We daily it, your commutes are usually like what 20 miles each way. So I mean, you kind of put it through its paces and make sure that this head unit has been good. Have it do that cold boot or no?
No.
So it's an instant boot and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about it. Just waiting for it to boot. But other than that, do you have any other comments about the head unit?
I just like how fast it is. Like when you have it paired up to your phone, the moment you turn on your car, it connects to your phone right away. So that, I really like that. A lot of previous head units, it took a while for it to connect to my phone, but this one just seemed to happen right away. So that's what I like about this phone, this Android head unit. I don't have any other issues. I think I want to play around with it some more just to see if I can like have any kind of bugs or see if I can break it somehow, but so far I'm pretty satisfied with it.
Well, that's great. If you guys were looking to buy this head unit, I'm going to put a link to the description down below, and I'll also have the review video I did of this head unit. You can probably click a little box right here, a little box right here saying, the full, like the install and kind of just our review in general. Be sure to catch us in the next one. We're going to do a lot more Android head unit videos, and the Joying head unit, it's been one of my favorite head units. Joyings, Dicida, Haiduing, these are really great head units, and I'm just glad they're upping the game especially for the universal. I know a lot of people like to hear about the universals, so we're going to do definitely more of that. So make sure you hit that notification bell, and see you guys in the next one. Later.